Hi my loves, for today's video I'm going to be showing you 5 quick and easy hairstyles to do when you're running out the door before school or just running some errands. For the first hairstyle I'm going to be creating a low messy bun, just brushing all my hair to the back of my neck and then using my coiled hair tie to create a bun in the back of my head. I love using these coiled hair ties for anything like a low ponytail or a low messy bun. Then I'm just going to be pulling out some strands of hair in the front of my face and by my ears, and then adding a hat. I love adding a hat. It makes it look like you put more effort into it than you really did. For my second look, I'm going to be creating a messy bun. Of course, such a simple, easy hairstyle. I'm just going to brush all of the hair to the top of my head using my wet brush. I love using this brush. Then I'm just going to run my fingers through it, gather it all up at the top of my head, and use a very thin hair tie to create a loose, messy bun. I'll kind of play around with it, and then I'm going to add some bobby pins just to pin it in place of where I want it to be. I think messy buns are so cute, so fun. Also, you can even wear them with a more dressed up look, and they still look so adorable. And then again, pulling out some hair from the front of my face. For my third look, I'm going to be creating a half up, half down with a messy bun. I'm just going to grab a section of my hair a little above my ears and then running my fingers through it, grabbing it at the top of my head and creating a bun once again. I'm going to play with it and then add some more bobby pins just to pin it in place and have the structure that I want. My hair isn't straightened or curled here, but I would definitely run a straightener or a wand through my hair to give it a little bit more texture. For my fourth look, this is something I've been doing so often. I've been parting my hair right down the middle and then doing 2 braids into 2 low ponytails. I do a Dutch braid or a reverse French braid to create this look, but you could easily just do a normal French braid. I gather 3 strands and then place each section from the right underneath the middle and then the left underneath the middle. And I continue to do this all the way down my head. Make sure that you're holding the braid tight to your head because holding it too loose can cause the braid pieces to come out and we don't want that. So I just continue to do this all the way down my head, putting the right strand underneath the middle and then the left strand underneath the middle, also grabbing hair with each strand. I've gotten so good at this nowadays. I do it so fast and quick that I just do it before work, before running errands, before doing anything really, and it's so fast and easy and looks so cute. I hope you can kind of see what I was doing here with the braiding. Then once I get to the very end of my neck or head, I'm just going to grab a little elastic and pull it through. And there we are, 2 ponytails or 2 pigtails with braids. So stylish, but so fast and easy. For my 5th and final look, I'm just going to be doing a quick 2 braids in a hat. Again, I think the hat makes it look so fun. It makes it look like you put a little more effort into it when you really didn't. So I'm just going to section my hair into 2 parts and then section that into 3 and begin braiding. Again, placing the right one under the middle and then the left one under the middle. I braid all the way down and then I'm going to grab an elastic and secure that. This would be perfect if you have second day or even third day hair because the hat is going to hide any greasiness at the top. I also pulled out some of the strands, not all the way, but just made the braid a little bit looser. Again, braiding the other part. Right under the left, or right under the middle, and then left under the middle, all the way down. I think this would be so fun for a sporting event or anything like that. If you're in college, just running out the door to go to your class, this would be a perfect hairstyle. It's so easy and so quick. And then again, just pulling out a few strands. And there it is, guys. I hope you enjoyed these 5 quick and easy hair tutorials. Leave me any comments and suggestions of the next look you'd like me to do. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!